Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire dishwasher lower spray arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lower spray arm. The lower spray arm cleans the dishes in the lower dish rack. The main reasons you'd be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out so we have access to the part. With the rack out of the way, we can reach in and pull the upper spray arm off. It's just snapped onto the base right here. So all you have to do is pull up on it. Once you have it released, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old lower spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new lower spray arm in, all you have to do is line it up with the base and snap it on. Once you have the spray arm installed, you can push the lower rack in and close the dishwasher door. Once you have the door closed, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.